So, if you want to upgrade yung mga kalesa po natin or balsa, or if you want to rent a golf cart, ATVs, and bike, just have to proceed at Casa Lubao. And then the second floor naman po serves as our show
Ayan yung
house.
Casa
So we
Lubao.
will go at the second floor of the house.
Ayan. Oh, aakyat tayo dito. Hi. So, tatanggalin ang shoes. Tatanggalin.
Dito po tayo
Wellness promo. Holistic and wellness promo.
before between the ceiling and wall, that's called calados po. It's for the circulation of air inside this house. Calados po. And then here naman po sa living area, we will see the so-called knee-high sofa. Knee-high sofa po for our Filipinos back then because they're just too small. So they decided to make this kind of chair po so that they will be comfortable when they sit po. And then sa wall po, you will see paintings po. That's a replica of painting in Juan Luna. It's called the España y Filipinas, symbolizes friendship of Spain and Philippines. And on the other side naman po yung Mi Unico Hijo, ni Juan Luna, or My Only Son. Yes po.
Dining area.
And then on the other side po yung corridor or dining area. Are you familiar po with the word banggerahan?
Oh, banggirahan.
Yes. Yes po, where they, it's an old kitchen sink po. Where
Meron
they
silang
wash their
ano?
dishes.
Pwedeng pumasok doon?
Yes, pwede po. Sige, I'll give you time po to roam around po or take pictures. And then after po,
ganda.
we'll see the next house.
Ang lamig. Sarap kumain dito, oh. Mga old houses. Napaka-old. Mga nire-structure nila na ano. Ang ganda ng ceiling nila, oh. Mga old ceilings. Ay, hala. Alam mo, parang meron kami dating ganyang plates. Antique pa ba yan? Parang hindi na yata. Parang may ganyan kasi. Hindi. Siguro. Thank you. Yeah. Ganda ng ano, oh. Chandelier nila. Napaka ano. Ito yung ano. Oh. Ay, nako. Oh, ganyan ang style ng araw. Nung araw may ganun kami upuan. Ganun. Okay.
Sige ma'am, yan po kayo. Okay po dito. Sila ma'am. Ma'am, dito po.
Posing sa bed. Ayan, ang ganda ng view, oh. Pag nakaupo ka dito sa dito, oh, parang ang sarap ng hangin pagka ano. Oh my God. Oh my God, napagod ka na?
Bago.
Oh, bababa na tayo.